Brothers, we need help. We need each other's help now. And I hope that tonight, this group that we have, we would form a family through this man. We could join up as a family. And I would be forced to give you information because you come to me for it. And that's what you should receive from me. Tonight, I said it was impromptu. It's only 2 hours. When I come back the next time, as he promised, and we'll be back in the spring, I will bring my entourage, and we will go into the list of foods and show how to prepare it. Because in reality, I don't even eat. And I eat today, I don't eat tomorrow, and when I eat, I know I'm eating something bad. So why eat it? You take this. The woman asked again, what is in it? When you see a bullfighter fighting in the ring, have you ever seen a bullfighter fighting a cow? No. They would never put a cow in the ring with a bullfighter because you'd kill it. Because the bull closes his eyes before he gets to the toreador. So he got a chance to step out of the way. But you put a cow in there with it. And her eyes are wide open anyway he turns. She asked, what's in it? This package is a compound of 2 substances. Only 2. And how I thought about this was with the aid of my wife. She said, you always say that oxygen is a cell proliferant. I said, yes. Oxygen is the real food. You could eat the best food in the world and hold your nose in your mouth for 2 minutes, what happens? You're dead. Telling us that the cells need what? Oxygen. The more of it you get, the more alive you are. She said, okay. And the next one, which is the substance that electrifies the system and removes inflammation? Iron fluoride. So I went to Africa. I got the Cancansa. I went to Honduras. I got the Guaco. I went to Mexico. I got the lily of the valley, which is nothing but iron. And I got all these iron herbs, and I put them together along with the herb that has what? Oxygen. And if you believe that herb does not trap oxygen, well, you got another guest coming. When I come back to New York, I'm going to bring the herb, and I'm going to put it in a glass of water. And as the herb goes down, you will see oxygen coming from the herb. There is another herb that has oxygen. It's the Marula. It has so much oxygen that it owns the water. So when you combine these herbs, oxygen and iron, you come up with the Viento. And when you take it, the first thing you're going to feel is that you're going to sleep like a baby. You're going to have energy. This Venezuelan man came to throw away the trash from the house about 2 months ago, and I gave him some. I said, take this with you, young man. He came back next day and said, my wife loves you.